summertime, Eastside New York City. It's too hot to sleep. Half alive, and my mind is dripping. I'm twisting the sheets. My heart can't be satisfied anymore but you tonight. And when I try, it only makes me blue. Why can't you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. Why can't you want me, baby? What can I do? I don't want other boys, I just want you.
What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you wanted to. All it takes is that one look you do, and I'll run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad. Guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right, and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad, but I'll be fine. Why we fight, I don't know. We say what hurts the most, and know I tried staying cold, but you take it personal. All these firing shots and making ground, it's way too hard to cope, but still I can't let you go. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right, and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad, but I'll be fine. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right, and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down, I'll be fine.
Why were you waiting for so long to take me to places I belong? The pictures I've had pasted on my walls. I'm so happy we made it this far, 'cause I finally have them all. pictures I've had pasted on my walls. I'm so happy we made it this far, 'cause I finally have them all. Times like this, you gotta know, should I stay or is it should I go? It's times like this, it's a yes or no. Whoa, it's times like this, you gotta find Hennessy's not a cure for time. Sometimes I wish that you were mine. Like this, you want it back. Drink till you have a heart attack. I don't have a lot of heart to show. Times like this, you gotta know, should I stay or is it should I go? It's times like this, it's a yes or no. Whoa, it's times like this, you gotta find Hennessy's not a cure for time. Sometimes I wish that you were mine. Like this, you want it back. Drink till you have a heart attack. I don't have a lot of heart to show.
Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Welcome up to the live stream. Appreciate you joining up on this beautiful end of the week. It is Friday. It better be Friday. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Appreciate you guys joining up this morning. What is going on? Brain, Xbox, Tangy, TJ, Chris, So You. Good morning, Stocked Up crew. Love it, So You. Happy Friday. Palantir, YBP says PLTR. I'll definitely be watching that one a lot throughout the day today. We always are looking at Palantir. It's a popular ticker around here. We gotta love that one. Always around the top of the watch list. You're kidding me. LHX, L3 Harris with their earnings leading my watch list today. That's kind of weird. Penn Gaming starting to pop up a little bit more at open. I know that one's going to make people extremely happy in the short term with that big money play that's starting to play out very, very well on the Penn Gaming. Penn, P-E-N-N. If you don't know what Penn is, They deal with casinos and hotels and etc. Mainly their casino business. They have one by me. They actually have a couple by me. Here, watch this. River City Casino. This is the main casino that I go to when I go to the casino. The 1 or 2 times a year I go anymore. I don't go very much. The last time I went was probably like 2 months ago, and then the time I went before that was when I went with Mason. That was fun whenever me and Mason did the golf casino trip thing. That was cool. Shit, I'm gonna be going there today now because I'm looking at it. Nonetheless, though, Penn Gaming. It's funny because when you walk in there, they have signs everywhere. They're like, sign up for Penn Rewards. And I'm like, damn, they should pay me because I'm a shareholder. Like, where's my free hotels, Penn? Mason can't see the screen. Oh, man. What a rip. I clicked it, but it must not have went over. Man. That's my fault, guys. But yeah, QQQ popping off here. Starting to see a good move higher this morning. The SPY, the QQQ, the bigger tech stocks kind of coming back a bit. Apple, look at that nice rip back up. Got Microsoft roaring back as well, 0.96%. I had to triple check, make sure it's still up. Microsoft going though. Fidelity changed up their website, Kristen said. Oh, I didn't know that. Whiskey made it. Gilly Gallo, Toby, BK, what's up? Joby got cooked. I saw that. I saw that Joby was cooked last night. When the market closed, I was like, what the hell, Joby? ACHR didn't get as cooked. They're actually back up in the green today, luckily. That's a good plus. Oof. China stocks. I gave the like a Bubba Watson low slice bender. About 305. I love that one, Sean. The way that guy, I've seen him shape some shots. They're kind of crazy. Kind of nuts. What's up, Marwin? Or Maui, I should say. You're trying to screw me up coming in on the other account. I know how it is now. What's up, Outlaw? Brain, I owe you a pizza, man. I owe you a pizza. What was that ETF for getting 5%? Man, I don't know which one you're talking about, but like UVXY goes up quite a bit. SPXS can move a lot. Oh, that one. SGOV. That. The 5% dividend. I see what you mean now. Yeah. Yeah, SGOV is where you'd go to park your cash and collect that divvy. We'll do the Guess My Cart game again tonight, Brain said. You can't just take the win, can you, Brain? I should have lied and said that it was 312 so that Manny could have won. I'm just kidding. Gotta gamble on the win. So now I gotta buy whoever this person that wins a pizza. That was funny. The Guess the Cart game. I'm trying to find it. I'm almost there. I've almost scrolled back enough. Holy crap. I posted this up last night. And I said, guess the cart. We're going to play the game. Guess the cart. It's where, you guys guess how much this cart costs. Guess how much it costs, guys. The overall cart. And don't give it away, Mason. Or Brain. Or anyone who played. Outlaw. Marwin, Kristen, Robert. All pulling the guesses off. Yeah, Kristen, they did. The Blues pulled it off. I was happy. Hell yeah, that was cool. Wow, guesses all around the board here. I'll look at it one more time. There is a Mountain Dew down here that you can't see. But I think it's gonna blow your mind whenever you hear what it costs. All right, here it is. Here it is, we're ready? The price is $302 on that cart. $302. That's how bad the inflation is. $302. No crazy meat, nothing like that. The only thing that costs a lot is the baby food. That's the only thing that costs like a lot for one item. But that's the inflation for you there. Kind of nuts. $300. I felt like I didn't even buy anything. Like, I was looking in the fridge last night, and I'm like, I'm hungry. And I'm like, damn, I didn't even buy anything, you know? It's like, the fuck? $302. Yeah, that really is crazy. Kristen. Xbox was the closest without going over. Yeah. I think Kristen... Oh, no. I thought it was 315. Yeah, I think you're the closest anyways. That's funny. You got those Nature Valley bars. Those are gas. Man, those bars, they're... It was like a peanut butter sandwich bar. I don't know. It's really good. Tesla's moving again, though, right into resistance. This resistance has been major on Tesla here around 265. Extremely major. That is a huge level on Tessie. 265. Sean said those were 678. I think it was something like that. Did you see those on the receipt? That's funny. I remember specifically looking at the price of those because I was trying to see if they were like, I thought maybe they'd be like $10 or something, but I was glad they weren't. We were on the Walmart website. That's hilarious. You guys were doing all that while I was driving home. It was funny. QQQ's popping. Let me go see Tesla. Someone asked for the book map on Tessie here. I figured I'd oblige. Literally Googling chicken and pork prices. That's that's funny. Can you double bag my Rolex? Oh, that's fun. I couldn't believe I went to the fucking self-checkout. I didn't even think about that. I always go to the self-checkout. You guys were like, why would you go to the self-checkout with a cart that full? And I didn't think about it myself either, but I shouldn't have. It was annoying. I got annoyed with it. Wait, no, Sean, I didn't see that. You could buy a Rolex at Walmart? No way. Oh, man. I want to get a Patek. Oh. Here we go, Sean. Oh, yeah. Ha. A Patek from Walmart. 105K. Only 3 left. Who does this stuff? Hey, you know, maybe we can pay it back with Affirm. Can we do an Affirm payment on this one? That would be cool. How about we do an Affirm, but we just never pay it? What would happen? What would happen if you just never paid Affirm back? Would they start, like, would they, do collections on you or something? Garnish you? QQQ, 0.93%, popping off very well. Might get to that $500 mark, which would be huge. Even a $4.99 retest would be pretty big from this point. But it's just great to see the market continuing to move higher here today. At least we're not opening up and then having a bunch of bullshit. We're actually having some good directional price action, which is a good plus. Make sure you guys are liking the stream if you're enjoying it and you're joining up every day. Destroy that like button today. We already have a few likes, but figured I'd say it. Definitely helps us on YouTube, that's for sure. Helps us quite a bit, actually. More than you know. Shaq would so buy a Rolex in Walmart. That'd be awesome, yeah. Shaq would go there and buy all of them. All 3 that were left. Tessie breaking out above 265. Tessie popping it off here. That's pretty fire. Come on, Tessie. Hell yeah, keep that going. It's pretty good. Gosh, I can't wait for the baseball to come on. Who's pitching tonight? Garrett Cole? If they got Cole going, I think it's going to be a pretty good day. Cole and Flattery. Oh man, not Flattery. He used to be on the Cardinals. That guy can blow it, I'll tell you. I don't think Flaherty is going to be very good. And trust me, I know how to say his name. Flaherty. Yeah, I don't think that that's going to be a very good night for the Dodgers tonight. Yeah. I'm not a fan. I think Flaherty's going to get smoked. I'm going to say 4 runs from Flaherty tonight within 3 or 4 innings. That's what I'm going for. I'm going 2 runs by Cole over 6. That's what I'm going with him. $7 p.m. it comes on. The Yankees are favored to lose, of course. Just a little bit. But Vegas is favoring the Dodgers here. Tessie, there we go. 2.73. Continuing the amazing action. 268 now, coming up. Guys, the continuation here, amazing. I don't even want to look at anything else today. Don't even want to see anything else. Yeah, I think I'm going to go... I actually think I'm going to bet on this one. I'm actually going to place a bet on it. That's how much I think the Yankees are actually going to win tonight. I'm not saying they're going to win the whole series, but... I'm rooting for them, but I don't, you know... Just because I'm rooting for them doesn't mean that I think that they're going to necessarily win. The Dodgers probably have a little bit better of a team, if we're being honest. The bullpen and stuff, I think, on the Dodgers is a little bit better. I know the Yankees bullpen has been pretty good in the postseason, but AMD popping it off. Such good action this morning out of quite a few different stocks. Even like LVS coming up with Penn. We got ARM moving higher. SMCI recovering up for now. SoFi, another 3% by them, mostly in pre-market, but looking pretty good now. Lots of good comebacks here. Let me see here. Let's see. All right, here we go. Hope you guys are having a good morning out there. How dare you? You gotta believe Spirit reports today, Brain said. Spirit reports? Like, I know that doesn't show all of the earnings reporting there, but like, are you talking about Spirit Aerosystems? Spirit Aerosystems. SPR is Spirit Aerosystems stock. They reported the other day. I need some tickers out here. Yeah, there you go. I need tickers. 30% on save. Damn. I thought Save had got bought by somebody else. I could have sworn they did. Maybe they did, actually, but this one has been brutal. Even with the earnings today, with the 30% comeback, they still look like shit. How's it possible? They're gonna be acquired. Yeah, maybe they're about to be. Maybe that's what it was. Save isn't something I look at. I haven't looked at that one a lot, I'll be real. They just announced the sale of 23 Airbus aircrafts. Okay. Job cuts. Ooh. So they did some job cuts and are selling some planes. That's what's kind of getting them going before, I guess, those earnings today. Palantir rejecting back a little bit, actually. Kind of brutal. QQQ popping up to 498. Lumen finally is going, Brain said. Lumn. Lumen Technologies. Up 1.59%. Lumen, that would be a fun one to see pop back off. It is holding the base that it formed here in the short term very well. Around $6. That is a strong positive with Lumen. I sacrificed some sleep last night to play Black Ops 6, and my daughter is punishing me for it today. She just won't slow down, Michael says. Oh, man. You were up playing Black Ops 6 last night. I forgot that that came out. Believe it or not, Black Ops 6. Psh.
Couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like leaves.
I totally forgot about BO6.
Sing a song that never leaves. We were like a symphony. You played for me.
Not the Black Ops, man.
You played for me.
I kind of thought the new one looked pretty good myself. I thought it looked kind of good.
I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the
How do you like it so far? I'm probably gonna end up buying it now too. You got me excited. Should I buy it on the computer or should I buy it on the PlayStation? That's the question. Probably the computer, but
you played for me.
I actually had a ton of fun with it, Michael said. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it. I thought it looked pretty good.
Even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You
Boeing. How we looking, Boeing? Nothing too crazy there. What about our watch list? DJT leading the way. DJT. 3670 on the breakout again. Wow, DJT. Pretty weird. Funware ended up falling a shit ton yesterday. Finally stopped on its momentum-filled run, but Michael says, I think it's a good year for it. Yeah, that's... I normally don't buy them, but, you know, I've been kind of craving some of that. Some COD action, you know, just hopping in and... Here's the stuff that turns me off with it, is all this, Let's see. New BO6. Here's the thing that kind of gets me is all these weird movements things. These new movement things, now that kind of gets me a little turned off to it. You know, all this stuff. The whole, dive bomb, run and gun, jump through the door, dive bomb, bullshit. That stuff kind of messes with me, you know? I'm more of like an old school, like realism Tarkov type of player. That new game kind of worries me. You know, at least we don't have to worry about their stupid stock anymore, Activision. I don't know about you guys, but I was kind of sad whenever Microsoft acquired Activision. I thought it was a little bit saddening. I wish that they would have blocked that, actually, in the court. I thought it would have been nice just to have Activision still be Activision, you know? Now it's like, oh, great, yeah, sure, we could trade a Call of Duty stock with Microsoft, but it's like, you know, Microsoft's so big that COD doesn't really affect them too much. It's... annoying. Mason has that little golfing thing in front of your computer. That's funny. Isn't it a bit more like sliding in COD? Brains asked. Well, each COD has a different style. The new one, they redid the whole jump stuff, Brain, so you'll have to look up how crazy it can look. If you find like a cracked out player and they know how to do the movements right, they can like jump. It's like jump, turn, shoot through the air. It's wild. QQQ though, man, still roaring. Tessie still very, very good as well. We gotta love it. Gotta love it, Microsoft. Today's the day for the Bulls so far. Apple coming back alive in its own right also. Beautiful action this far. At this point of the day, we're almost 30 minutes in. What should I buy it on though? What do you play it on, Michael? Like the PlayStation or something? Activision. Do you like buy it on Steam? I wonder if it's on Steam. Oh, you got it on the PS5? I see. Demir's gonna be mad at me because I'm gonna be playing this instead of that tank game with him. He's gonna get me. QQQ 1.35. Looking fantastic again. Great movement by the QQQ here. Still just continuing on this amazing run of the morning. The momentum is just crazy today. How about some different stocks? Intel's up 3% even. You know it's a good green day when the stuff at the bottom of this watch list is up like 1.5%. That's pretty good because there's quite a bit of stocks on here. TSM's another one. Coming back very well today. You know, they exploded with earnings last week, and now they're starting to pick back up from that. Could be a good earnings continuation play now. It's starting to break resistance around 200 and even short-term resistance at 203. Pretty fire to see that. Ariel said, I've been without a phone for a few days. Whoa, what's up, Ariel? Welcome to the party. The Bull Fest today, Ariel. You'll like it. The QQQ and the SPY moving so well. Even the airlines. AAL moving higher again today. United. United's not as much. Let's go to the Steam stores. Call of Duty on there? Let's see. Oh, it's not. Maybe you don't buy it on Steam. Oh, no, it is on there. I'm being stupid. Oh, it costs $70 now? Call of Duty's hitting people with that inflation, huh? Now the game is 70. Okay. Whoa. Make it stop. Auto-playing videos out here. The Vault Edition. Do I dare buy the Vault Edition? Nah. I could play as Woods, though, if I did. Wow. QQQ. I just love the chart here. It's even better than like individual stocks. It's destroying them. But Qualcomm's a nice one. Another beautiful player today. Qualcomm really helping to keep the tech sector alive. Some of these chip stocks are today. Qualcomm, MU's another one. I'm not sure, Mason. That'd be kind of cool, though. Here's something I have to ask you, because I'm not too familiar with this. You know, I'm already, like, looking at the game, and they're showing, like, purple game skins and a whole bunch of weird stuff. Hopefully the game's not too weird. Maybe that's just the zombies, though. I don't know. Man, the QQQ just had another huge candle here on the 5-minute. Even the 1-minute candle, amazing. Almost up to that $500 point. Might be a good time to start to take profits. QQQ very close to 500. $500 on the cues. It's right there. Xbox enjoyed it? Hell yeah. Sweet Baby Inc. improved. Anyone played Concord? Concord, never heard of that. I'm Googling Concord game. Let's see, video game. That looks like they just... That looks just like, what is that called? Overwatch or something. It looks just like Overwatch. Conquered. It literally looks like the exact same game, which is funny. Pulled offline. Not enough playing. Oh, it was supposed to be a huge AAA title. Yeah, it looks like they just tried to copy another game. No wonder it didn't work. Palantir moving higher, 44.70. Come on, Palantir, let's get the break. People love that today. Intel's moving right now as we talk. 1 minute candles still popping off. Great momentum to follow here today if you can catch it. You know, a lot of people, though, they sit back and they wait too long. AAPL. Ooh, looks like it's actually getting towards a bit of a peak, maybe. Cost them billions. Wow. It's scrapped. Dang. Huge loss. I didn't know that it was supposed to be that big. Carlo was watching Tesla. It's hard to manage multiples. I know what you're saying. Tesla, though, well above this resistance here. Let's look at the daily. There's another major resistance right around 270 that we need to be watching out for on Tessie. Let's check it on the book map really quick. 497,000 shares there. Definitely no joke. Mason can buy himself flowers. Haha. Carlo said, how would you manage multiple contracts? You know, Carlo, usually I like to have multiple charts up if I'm doing something like that. So I'll have like a 4-chart setup like this. I'll have the SPY, I'll have the 2 stocks I'm trading, and maybe like Nvidia or something on the bottom one. I'll set it up like that if I was doing it. And then that way also, you know, you could like sell them right here on the chart. You know, you could plot the actual option and like have the, where are we doing? The buttons here, you know, to buy and sell and stuff. That's what I would do. You know, you can see them both at once. But I get it, Carlo. It's still hard. It can still be hard. How would you manage the multiple contracts? 270 resistance. Wow, Tessie's gonna slow up here probably.
Perfect don't mean that it's working, so what can I do?
Amazon ain't stopping, Carlos said. Yes, 270 looks like resistance. I agree. 500 on the QQQ. Major resistance as well. I want to go see Dell. Still looking fantastic with Dell. A lot of these moves have been amazing this morning. Got Microsoft with a great move. Amazon. Amazon's probably been the best one of the day, I'd say. If I had to pick one. My personal favorite. Yeah, the bot's been killing it on Amazon this week, though, seriously. Good morning, Robbie. Glad to see you here this morning, Robbie. Sean says, Jeffrey Bezos. Do we dare do it? Sean, do I dare do the Jeffrey Bezos song? Ooh, we just might have to. Jeffrey Bezos. It's Friday. You know it has to happen. It has to. Come on, Jeff. Get him.
CEO entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. CEO entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Pave the way, put your back into it. Tell us why, show us how. Look at where you came from, look at you now. Zuckerberg and Gates and Buffett, amateurs can fucking suck it. Fuck their wives, drink their blood. Come on, Jeff,
get him. I'm not kidding. I'll just be sitting at home thinking of this beat in my mind. It's kind of funny.
CEO entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos.
That's pretty fire. Come on, QQQ.
1964, Jeffrey Bezos. Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Pave the way, put your back into it. Tell us why, show us how. Look at where you came from, look at you now. Zuckerberg and Gates and Buffett, amateurs can fucking suck it. Fuck their wives, drink their blood. Come on, Jeff, get 'em!
There's a video to this. The one I always watch, it just sits there on nothing. Oh, because I'm doing the extended mix. I see. QQQ looks like it might have peaked out today. Oh, here we go. This is the weird one.
Jeffrey Bezos, Jeffrey Bezos, Jeffrey Bezos. Oh, Jeffrey Bezos, Jeffrey Bezos, Jeffrey Bezos. You did it, Jeffrey Bezos, Jeffrey Bezos, Jeffrey Bezos.
Wow. QQQ rejecting really hard right now at $500. What are some of those stock market rap songs that we used to listen to? Buying the Dip with Meet Kevin. That's a pretty funny one. Maybe we'll play that one here. Buying the Dip.
Oh man, your boy Kevin just lost lots of money. Oh, but that's okay. I am with you, with you. Oh man, your boy Kevin just lost lots of money. Oh, but that's okay. I am with you. Here we go, come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip.
Now this one has a good video.
Push it, buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it. Oh my God, what's happening?
First of all of this whining by Wall Street is making me sick. 140% of GameStop was short. GameStop was short. You can't allow Wall Street to short 75% of its stock, crush these companies into the dirt, thousands of stocks into the dirt. Then when the individual makes money, everyone's entrepreneurs. I have a kid who bought a house, paid $50,000 and bought a house. After decades of the shorts, you have to accept the fact that individual investors are playing the same game that you're playing, and now you're losing.
Here we go, come on, push it.
Buying the dip, buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip.
We might be buying the damn dip today if these stocks keep pulling back like they are.
Here we go, come on, push it. Oh my God, what's happening? Here we go, come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it, push it, push it. Buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it. Oh my God, what's happening?
Pump it up. I think he actually got a kick out of this. That's awesome. Zesty version. Good morning, Luis. Glad to see you here. Brain put the video in the Discord. Oh, I see you didn't put it in the off-topic channel, Brain. You bad man. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, Brain. Let's see the video here. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. No kidding on that one. That one did look pretty wild there. All right, back to the quiet music here. Back to the quiet music of the day. QQQ's having a hard rejection here at 500. We're starting to see SPY even post a bit of a lower high and double top here. Right around that 584 mark, which is a pretty big resistance in its own right. QQQ rejecting hard. Looks like it's pullback city. The scalps were great though. I gotta say this, the scalps were amazing, but you have to realize they're scalps. A lot of people hold scalps way too long. Why did this song get so loud? Oh, hold up. There we go. I was so confused. It was playing a different song from a different tab. Like, there we go. Team Tom, good morning, Jason. Yeah, I hope you guys liked those songs. They were pretty good. I think that he would have got a kick out of them too, Xbox. Yeah, DJT even popped off today. Wow. He better. He's a damn millionaire, LOL. Coin breaking through, David said. COIN. Kinda. It's kind of stuck here. It's not breaking yet. It's trying though, David. If you're enjoying the stream, hit that like button. We're almost to 30 likes already. That'll help us get us to 30 here today. Let's get it. Avgo. QQQ, tough at $500. That is a big level there. Let me go to the SPY 15-minute, check some. I took this trend line away, but I want to bring it back just to check. It's well above the trend right now, if we're still looking at that trend. I took it away so I could look at the SPY and not want to shoot myself because of all the lines. All right. I can't believe Vegas really has... Is Cole really pitching tonight? I can't even believe that Vegas doesn't have the Yankees winning. Yeah, it is Cole and Flaherty. Trust me, Flaherty was on the Cardinals. That guy does not do good in big situations. I'll promise you that. He might have been okay for the Dodgers when they got him this year, but I'll tell you, he's not as good as they make him out to be. He was pretty bad on the Cardinals. SPY up into resistance. All right, here we go. We're doing it, Mason. We're doing it. We're taking the Yankees. We're doing 90 on the Yankees. Nah, we'll go 100. I think I'm going to go 90 on the Yankees, and I'm going to go 10 on Judge hitting a home run. Oh, I have free play? Oh. I'll just go 100 and then do the free play on the home run. There we go. That's what we'll do. Oh, yeah. We got the Yankees going. There we go. That's always fun. Now let's see what else we can do here. I want to do a Judge homer. Where are we at on the props? Player props. Here we go. Batter home run. Yes. William Smith. Who is William Smith? Is this Will Smith, the catcher? Oh my gosh, Luis coming in. 7 for Tom, 7 for Mason, 7 for the crew. Tom, favorite numbers. Hell yeah, Luis. I love that. Let's go, Luis. Appreciate you there. That's awesome. Awesome, Luis. Thank you. I appreciate you doing that, Luis. Oh my gosh, do I dare do Aaron Judge for 2 home runs? Now that would be the real free play bet. 180 bucks off 15. I don't know though. They have the odds of them hitting a home run pretty good. It's almost not even worth betting on them to hit one, honestly. I'm not even betting on them to hit one now. that's they almost have it worse odds than the actual game. It's funny. We're just gonna do 15 here. Maybe I'll make a parlay up or something later on today. SPY just re-broke the high of the day, 584. just came in with a break. Amazon still very, very close to the high. Luis Mason said put 777 on the Judge Homer. That would be funny. The Judge Homer. That would be awesome. Homer, definite possibility. Amazon about to make a new high of the day. Come on, Amazon. Let's go. Come on, Tessie. Tessie's going to try to recover up here, too. Trying to get back. Amazon. There it is. They did it on the 1 minute. Made a new high of the day. Surprise, surprise. Neo, N-I-O. Popped off 5.34. JD, 3.5%. 40.75. Resistance on JD in the short term, huge, around 41. Hopefully you can at least get to 41 today. Intel still pushing new highs of the day also. Looking great. Let's go back to Penn. Aw, poor Penn. Fell off a little bit. Viking Therapeutics kept it going. Fantastic continuation there. Go check on Intel. All right, let's check the earnings for next week. I saw someone posted it in discussion. That means that they must be out by now. They must be out. Earnings whispers. Oh, yeah. Speaking of Amazon, we're going to get Amazon reporting. AMD next week is huge. Probably the biggest week of the season, considering that there's Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Apple, all in the same week. Those four in the same week alone. And then you got Google, AMD, Coinbase, Intel, SoFi, PayPal, McDonald's. Uh-oh. How is Mickey D's today, or Mick Dix as we like to call it? Uh-oh, down again today, starting to turn back over. I think that McDix could actually be a really good put opportunity back down. Not sure what you guys are thinking about it, but I think that it formed a decent base here at the top. It's failing to break back out above that, and I think that we'll start to see more sellers come in here into these earnings. We'll see. It does suck that they report earnings. It makes it a bit more of a risky play to hold through, like a earnings play, of course, but I don't know. I could see him going down more. Like, they might project that this is going to hurt sales in the short term or something. It has to hurt sales. Everybody that I've talked to has said that they're not going to be eating McDonald's in the short term. Everybody that I've talked to.
All alone, you were all that I need. I try to forget that sometimes we're not close. All I wanted was to make sure that you know. All I wanted was to never let you go. If you let me go back into my old ways, forget the rest. There's no more mistakes. We'll find a way, the best that we can. If you let me back into my old ways, forget the past, and maybe someday we'll find the best that we can.
Love it though, Luis. Thank you for the super chat. I'm in Nebraska and the lines were long this morning. The lines at McDonald's, really? I would say go Big Red, but I'm disgusted. Go Big Red. Are you talking about on Mickey D's?
Won't hide all the times I've been wrong.
Spy moving higher. You know what's sad is I told you guys I wasn't gonna eat McDonald's and I already want to buy it. Like I want it again. I want it today already. Already. It's not good on Outlaw's stomach. I know some people like that Outlaw where it just doesn't go well for them. Nebraska football is agonizing. Ooh. The Cornhuskers. Is that what they call Big Red? Palantir. $45 resistance. Hitting here. QQQ's getting through 500. It's actually breaking up, out, and through it. Amazon's trying to make a new high of the day. Meta is making a new high. Looks awesome. Up to 580. Let's go, Meta. Let's go.
Sorry, I ain't got no money. I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. You might not be down, you might not be down, but I will get back up again. You can call it how you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. This time, this time, I ain't gonna run away.
Mine too for Palantir, Kristen said. Mine too for Palantir. Go Ducks! Palantir 45 alert went off. Yeah, it just touched it. Just hit. Right on big resistance. Looking at the daily, though. You know, that's the all-time high here. Palantir might just get the momentum it needs to get up here and break. Tesla continuing very well. I would call it a successful morning for Tesla. Even though it's slowing down a little bit now, it was still successful enough to continue up today and continue the trend enough. Amazon popping up 2% here. Palantir Bookmap, PLTR. Let's see the Bookmap. I'll guarantee a 45 is crazy on there. It was anyways. Yeah, it was till it got smacked. It actually got wiped. $437,000 volume on that hit. That's pretty wild. $45 was huge. I'll expect it to reject. I mean, it could break today. You know, there's a lot of good momentum out there. I would definitely lean towards it not breaking, but, you know, if there's going to be a day where I would pick where there'd be a breakout, it would be today if the market could really continue here. It needs to just really see one more good extension. If the SPY could get to its all-time high, I think Palantir will break out. Looks like Palantir is rejecting hard, though, for now, though. At that level, like we know, it's a big spot. Microsoft consolidating like crazy here after that move this morning. Hopefully this is a nice dip before we get that second extension we're talking about. Tessie's starting to come back, though. Hopefully this isn't the peak on these stocks today. Netflix, very close to resistance as well. What are we thinking on TSM? Seeing lower highs at this point. Taiwan Semiconductors, lower highs. They're trying to pop up following those earnings that were amazing. Personally, I could see TSM going up more. You know, I could see this dip getting bought up even more off of these earnings.
body shop, doing something unholy.
I gotta go and get some work done. Hope you all have an awesome weekend and end of the week. And you hope we end it green. Love it, Kristen. Thank you. See you later. Thanks for joining up, Kristen. You're always one of the awesome members of the community. Love you, Kristen. Have a great weekend yourself. Can't tell if Mara is making a bear flag or if it's about to bounce and make out of this channel. I'll be real with you, it looks more like a bear flag intraday to me, based off the way it looks. But look at Mara a couple days ago. You know, it has these weird moves where it recovers but then just bases here and chops all around. Yeah, it does this quite a bit where it'll have movement like that and chop around. It looks more like a flag to me, but just don't be surprised if it chops and holds at that support. You could at least try to time it up at the top and trade it back down to the low. That'd be a decent opportunity. Tesla 260, 250. It's pulling back pretty hard now. Almost back to 264 even. Getting very close. SPY gonna go down. It does look kind of brutal there.
Baby, if we only got tonight, then I wanna spend it by your side. If you wanna give love one last try, just put your hand on your heart and whistle. Baby, if we only got tonight, then I wanna spend it by your side. If you wanna give love one last try, just put your hand on.
SPY gonna go down, John said. It very well could here. It's at big resistance on the day. I don't think that it looks overly bearish yet, but with how high it is, I would not be surprised, John.
Just put your hand on your heart and whistle.
Amazon pulling back, kind of brutal. Can't wait for that game tonight, though. Definitely going to be watching that.
If you want me to, give me one last chance to be there for you. Baby, if we only got tonight, then I wanna spend it by your side. If you wanna give love one last try,
We're going to be having nachos with the ball game tonight.
just put your hand on your heart and whistle.
That'll be fun. Sheesh. Kinda crazy here. Go back to DJT. Not loving the action here. XPEV's moving a little bit. What's up with XPEV right now? It's ran 8% and it's all pretty much came from the opening move, which is crazy to say. Qualcomm, everything's consolidating at the top right now. Everyone's waiting. Are we going to get the secondary move or are we going to get a real rejection coming in? There's still no clear indication to me. I guess I'd have to lean more towards a rejection as of now, but... Black Ops 6, do I buy it? That's the question. I still need to get shoes. Maybe I'll get some shoes. I'm just joking. $70 on Yankees pays for Black Ops 6. You know, yeah, I already have 100 going on him, Mason. You're right. Maybe that'll be the way. You're in for a good comeback, Sean. Haha. Yeah, if they win, I'm getting Black Ops 6. If they lose, I'm not getting it. That's what's gonna dictate it, Mason. We'll do that for the fun of it. I watched baseball late 80s, earlier 90s, Kirby Puckett. Then I watched again early 2000s, but haven't watched any since. This series I'm gonna watch. Hell yeah, Sean. Oh yeah, let's go. QQQ still falling off. Spy. Maybe this is where we see a true high of the day. Tesla is still pulling back hard. Amazon's pulling back. Yeah, I mean, most things are pulling back here. Getting to be interesting. Go check on Tessie here. $50 on the Yanks per your advice. Uh-oh. Don't at me when they lose, Sean. I am being real, though. I really do think that they have a great shot to just dominate it tonight. I really wish that the odds were better for Judge to hit a home run. Minus 200 for a home run is a little rough. That's pretty bad. Ohtani has the same exact odds. I would actually put the odds less for Ohtani. I think Ohtani has less of a chance to hit one than Judge does. Judge gets to face Flaherty. Ohtani has to face Cole, and I'd rather face Flaherty than Cole any day of the week.
I'm a hustler, I hustle. You can tell that I'm paid and I protect what I got. I'm in the house with my blade. Homie, you front, you won't get it. Okay, now maybe I said it, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I feel on that shit. You should see when I'm firm. That's the stones to be won. Push the whips in me rolling. You can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units, the gang. I got my grimy shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me off your ass. I pay the loss, moving live. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some cash. You run it. You know, you acting like you don't know. I tear the club up all show. This flow is gon' ring.
Negative 200. Yeah, that's terrible, man. It really is like robbery. Let's go check on some Bitcoin. BTC USD. Looks like it tried to recover up a little bit today and started rejecting. Looking at the hourly on Bitcoin. Let's see the daily. Whoa. Hey, this is actually a really good sign, guys. You know, everybody who's been following the Bitcoin channel with us here on the live stream, you will find this to be very nice. Actually, if you're long Bitcoin or you're bullish on it, it actually just confirmed off the trend on this red arrow. If you see the red arrow here, it broke out of this trend and actually just bounced off of it back to the upside, which is usually one of the best possible confirmations that you could see out of a trend like this. So just keep that in mind. I find that extremely interesting. And I feel like that if Trump wins, we might see more, you know, crypto talk and stuff.
Love is just a history that they may prove, and when you're gone, I tell them my religion's you. When just comes to kill the king on the throne, I'm ready for the stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, head, head. Like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head. And stick it, forgive him before he's dead, because I won't cry for you.
Can you please let me know what do you think will be the highest for Netflix today? Highest today. Sure thing. Let's look at it. What do I think the highest will be today? Let's see. It got pretty dang high. Wow. Today has been so strong. We're starting to pull back, but we're still only about like an hour and 20 minutes into the market here. As of now, it's looking like there's a good possibility that the peak that it just touched is going to be the high today. There's a good possibility of that. It's pretty good resistance. There's so much good momentum today, though. If the SPY is able to really turn it back around and start to break back out, Netflix has a true shot to break out too. I would lean on this being the high, but I don't know. You got me on this one here, Luis. It's dependent on how much the SPY really breaks today. There's been so much good breakouts and momentum, and I would not be surprised to see SPY move higher at some point today. There's still a lot of time left. If that happens, that's where I would see Netflix maybe running higher. And if it does break out, I'm looking at 780 as the peak. I don't see much more than that.
You spent the weekend getting even, oh.
spend the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that back with, babe, and play me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like
What do you think about Nvidia? Tag me when you do the cart. Yeah, hey, you gotta tag me too, Brain. Do the cart. Yeah, post it up after the market closes tonight, all right? Yeah, you gotta do it, though. Or else I'm giving the pizza away to the second best guess. We all gotta go do the cart tonight, though. When the market closes, make sure you're checking in on the... Let's do it in... Yeah, just check the discussion channel, you know? Let's try to see if a lot of people will do it. Whiskey says, I have to go back to work. Starting a trucking company from the ground up is tedious work. Have a great weekend. Hey, Whiskey, have a great one. Kudos to you for doing your own thing and getting it going, Whiskey. Great job. Hope you have a good one, Whiskey. No problem. Thanks for being here. I could go for some whiskey right now. I'm just kidding. I would. If somebody came over or something. Nvidia right now. Nvidia bookmap. NVDA. Wow, 1.4 million shares at 145. 500,000 shares at 144. Kind of brutal here, honestly, if I'm being real. Pretty brutal. Can you please look at SoFi stock and let me know what would be the highest price today? Luis, what have you started? I'm just kidding, Luis. SoFi. SoFi looks like it's touching support, but it also hit resistance today. Kind of stuck. I kind of think it'll come back and retest like 1120 to 1125 before going down some more. I would say 1125. You see yesterday how the stock, like SoFi, it sold off and it just consolidated for the rest of the day. It never really did anything. I'm kind of worried about it doing that again here. That's kind of my thoughts, is it might consolidate and just end up not really moving much here for the rest of the day. SPY's continually getting lower here, not looking good. Hedge with puts and calls for earnings. Oh. Be careful, Juan. Be careful. You never know about the earnings, right? So what are you doing with earnings? Oh, for SoFi, Palantir, and Siri. So are you getting puts and calls on each stock? Like you're playing both sides? Yeah, that's good. I hope you know, Juan. Doing that is a very rough strategy, just to say the least. But sounds like you know what you're doing. At least we've been seeing big moves recently. That's a good plus for that strategy. It's tough if the stocks don't move enough. That's really where it eats that one, but go see Citigroup here. How about Bank of America? JP Morgan. The banks look awfully boring today. How about AAL? You know, that one has been continuing pretty well today. They had the earnings yesterday. They didn't do much yesterday. Today, they are coming back pretty well. It's actually one of the better stocks that I've switched to here over the past few minutes, Vincent. You're asking for puts, though. I don't know about the puts. I'd try to ride this momentum up as much as I could. Maybe switch to puts once you see it reverse, but the puts could come into play at this double triple top here around like 1350, 1355. Very close to that resistance. I called it a double triple top. There's a double top, but it would be triple topping as we got there. That's why I said that. Pretty good though. I appreciate you mentioning it, Vincent. It is a nice moving stock intraday here. One of the better stocks that actually has some decent momentum to it. I'm assuming it's on the SM bot. It's actually not. I can't believe it. Apple's on the bot, though, for calls right now, as Apple's continuing to break out here and make new highs of the day. Is the SPY coming back? It's right at the dip. It's right on the low of the dip. SMCI calls as it's coming back on the bot. Viking Therapeutics. Nice, 10% on the day for Viking. RCL. Puts are on the bot. I don't know that I would chase the puts here, though, even though it's on the bot right now. It's on the SM bot. As we know, it's a good screener, but you still have to do some due diligence and look at the charts and do some research and have a good plan and strategy out going. Whoa, Vincent had a nice 300% move on the SoFi puts. Beautiful. That's awesome. How's Amazon? Coming back. Got a good 300% print. I think I'm going to make my famous scrambled eggs this morning after the stream. Do the onions and the ham and everything. Can't wait. Tom, help. Today is my last day on this job. And this is my last day in the trading floor. Oh, shit. I have 275 to trade, Xbox said. Man, waiting for like a pullback or something would be pretty fun here, Xbox. Poor Xbox. Keep looking at those long-term strategies, Xbox. I hope to see you still around on the streams at least. QQQ, $500 resistance. Still holding up well. It's been holding up all morning. Still holding. Every time it just about breaks out there, it comes back. SPY book map. Sure thing. I will say, though, the SPY book map is pretty weird. 583.50. A lot of buyers just popped in there on SPY. Kind of weird there. 583.50. A whole bunch of liquidity popped in. Yeah, Xbox, with that 275 you do. Definitely do on that. Let's see what SPY can do to this liquidity level here. It just wiped it. There it goes. Wiped it out. Uh-oh. That's kind of rough. SPY book map. I can't believe it just wiped that level. It's just flat though. Thank you, that was wild. Can't afford the book map. I feel you, Juan. I feel you there. Yeah, if you ever need any, just let us know in Discord, too. I'll try to give them out as much as I can. I do have to take the baby to the doctor later today, so... After around 2 p.m., I won't be able to be doing any book maps today, but... I can do them until that point.
Hey, you, now I see true, 'cause I know all I found in you. And you can be sure that I will make you happy.
Can't believe it's only going to be 64 degrees tomorrow and Sunday here. That kind of pisses me off because we're golfing both days and... Man, I was hoping it'd be like 75 or something. It's going to be like a little chilly, but it'll be alright. Palantir retested 45 and got rejected. Damn, it did. It might actually post a lower high here. That could get interesting today, Christopher. I wonder how many people are looking to short this sucker here. Cold and rainy in Oregon? Yeah.
Feel buried alive, the city's outside, suffocated and lonely in the crowd.
64, boo-hoo. It was the low 30s here. Oh, I forgot the low was 30s. Let's see. Oh, the low's 40. I see. It almost got into the 30s here. Yeah, that's rough though, Sean. I know it's definitely worse where you are. I wouldn't even want to go. If it was that fucking cold. Snow falling in Montana already. Gosh, that's wild up there in the north. I couldn't imagine like Canada. I know we have a couple viewers in here from Canada. That would be brutal in the wintertime. What's up on TLT? Oh, it's Soto's birthday? A Soto home run on the birthday? Maybe I could do a good... I might try to find a good parlay with him or Judge in it. What's up on TLT? I have some 145 calls and 70 puts. Uh-oh. Hopefully TLT moves for you. If it ends up not moving, it'd be... You play some wild strats, Juan. Wild strats. Stick in the Discord, Juan. Stick in the Discord. Especially if you get the trading floor. Ask about some of those strats on the Q&As. TLT's kind of trending, actually. Bouncing off the trend. It's actually a perfect trend, almost. $145, sheesh. I could see it going to 145. I think that it would take a long time, though. But I could see it going there. You know what would really get it up to there is if we see the US 10Y start to really fall. We need to see the bond yields drop off is really what needs to happen. If TLT wants to pop, we need to see like US 10Y, US 20Y. They need to fall out of the heavens. And I think that it's possible for him to. Especially with Trump coming in. Trump, I think, will get those yields and those rates lower. You might even see him do a lot of stuff with the Federal Reserve. Like, we'll say, like a lot of push towards them to do certain things. If he doesn't think that they're doing things correctly. People are always like, well, they can't control the feds, and you're right, but the political pressure can definitely, you know, influence some decision here and there. Especially if it's made, especially if they make Powell look really stupid for something, like transitory or, you know, something along those lines. That's about my average, 25 to 30, Sean said. 112 rounds. You've played 112 rounds. That's crazy.
Listen.
You know, it's only $5,600 if you're averaging 50 a round. I thought it'd be more than that, Mason, actually. You might as well just get a membership somewhere, man. Transitory is no joke. I don't remember that Xbox. MSTR is going to 225. Holy shit. MicroStrategy really exploding. Amazing intraday price action. The momentum's still there, too. It's 56K a year. Yeah, well, that's a wild one, Mason. I'm talking about a normaler one. They've got a few around here that are like that, too. I'm sure that there's a few crazy ones up there. I know that there's a crazy one up by you called, like, Medina or something, isn't there? Medina? I think that's a pretty good one. Some of them have, like, I can't believe it. I'll be reading on their websites, and it'll say, like, there's a $200,000 initiation fee. And I'm like, holy shit. Just to even join it, you gotta pay 200 grand. Then you gotta pay monthly, too. It's like, what the... I'm sneaking and geeking, stocked up at work, Vincent said. That's awesome. How do you feel like on NVIDIA, Vincent asked. Which direction? It's getting towards major resistance at 144. That's the issue right now with NVIDIA, but up into that 144 mark, I could see it moving more. 145 has like 1.5 million shares stacked there, so 144, 145, pretty crazy there. You posted it in Discord? Let's see. It's a poor person barrier. That's the point to stuff like that, Xbox said. You posted it in Discord. Where? Where did you post this thing? Oh, you don't mean you posted it today? From user Xbox. Let's do that. Oh, my Discord's broken. Gotta love it. NVIDIA's really powering though. It's continuing to keep the market semi-high here. It's one of the stocks that just continues to go. Halloween haunts your Discord. Whoa. Your notification sounds have a chilling twist. I hadn't updated my Discord in a couple days, I guess. Looks like there's a new notification sound right now. Kind of interesting. That's funny. It really is real. It was a girl who walked funny, kind of like that Kramer meme. Oh, shit. Mine does that now, too. I'll be damned if I pay $1,500 a contract. I feel you there. All right, all right. I think we're going to go ahead and call the stream there, guys. I'm going to run it up real quick on a game of Tetris. Throw it out there. What do you think I'm going to get to on Tetris today? You think I'll be able to do okay? The Tetris. We're gonna build up a good one here. We're gonna get a good thing going. Oh, it came too early. I shouldn't have said it like that. You guys are gonna roast me now. Oh, what the hell? Dude, that was some bad lag if I ever seen it. That wasn't Tom's fault. Oh, great. Why these big blocks? This game hates me. Sheesh. It's crappy. This is a bad start. I don't know that there could be a worser start. This is terrible. This game's really screwing me over this time. Watch it be like a game where I actually hit like my high score. That'd be funny. The Tetris. Looks like Nvidia is actually still running, believe it or not.
Legends never die.
Somehow.
When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die. They become a part of you. Every time you bleed,
I need another long piece now. I got one, but it was too late. We're probably fucked. I'm at 20. I'm actually not doing too bad. Damn. Now I am. Why the blocks? I swear to God, this game hates me. See if we can salvage some points here. It's over. 25. 25 today. Disgusting. We're gonna have to find a new game to play. The Tetris is making me mad. Remember when I used to do chess playing you guys on there? I thought that was kind of fun. All right, I appreciate you all joining up. Gold's on the move. We're probably going to end the stream here. Thanks for being here today. Gold is moving. Let's go, Gold. That is pretty fire to see. Hell yeah, Gold. Oh, Juan. Yeah, Juan, I would look at those strategies over a little bit. I'm just being honest, you know, those strategies like selling calls and puts on either side, really not the best, not the best. Not playing both sides like that. Especially on earnings, you know, that's where it gets real risky, but it probably is cooked. But we'll try to help you out as much as we can if you'll accept it. Tom, do you know when is Snap earnings? Snapchat. It should tell me on here. Snap. Didn't they already report? No. Tuesday, October 29th. So this upcoming Tuesday. Yep, looks like it's an after hours Tuesday. With Google, AMD, Chipotle, Visa, First Solar, etc. Sounds good. I'll talk to you later, Luis and Sean and Mason and Robert and everybody who joined up today. Xbox, I appreciate everyone. I know I'm going to forget somebody's name out there, but thank you all for joining up. Even the lurkers who throw it on in the background, you're awesome. Appreciate you. Really love that. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you later.